When must Christians socialize with sinners? In Proverbs chapter 11 verse 30, we can read, "The fruit of the righteous is a tree of life. He who is wise wins souls." Christians must socialize with sinners for their salvation from sins. This means that as long as the sinners are willing to listen to the Christian, to his spiritual message, then these sinners are worthy to spend time with. It is written, "Into whatever city or village you enter, find out who in it is worthy, and stay there until you go on. As you enter into the household, greet it. If the household is worthy, let your peace come on it, but if it isn't worthy, let your peace return to you." Matthew chapter 10, verses 11 to 13. Now, when must Christians avoid sinners? In Matthew chapter 7 verse 6 we can read, "Don't give that which is holy to the dogs, neither throw your pearls before the pigs, lest perhaps they trample them under their feet and turn and tear you to pieces." We must not give any holy message to those whose hearts have been greatly hardened by sins and are unreceptive of the truth of the gospel. We are to seek the lost sheep, not the dogs and pigs. Lost sheep have the capacity for humility. On the other hand, dogs and pigs are extremely prideful and rebellious. We must be wise in delivering godly messages. When we see a gathering of venomous snakes and we feel the desire to deliver the gospel to them, we must first pray and ask for the Lord's guidance. If we fail to do this, we may end up experiencing unnecessary dangers and wasted resources that could have been given to worthy people.